welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make Valentine's chocolate dipped pretzels. They're going to be so delicious, and I'm going to show you guys how to make it. So let's get started. What you will need for these pretzels are chocolates, any color of your choice. You will need stick pretzels, and you will need any decorations of your choice. First, start with melting your chocolates. Here's what it should look like. Now start dipping your pretzels. Add a bit of coconut oil in it. Now, while they are wet, add your sprinkles and put them in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes until they harden. Here's what it should look like dried. Here's the packaging I'm going to put them in. Here's the finished product of the chocolate dipped pretzels. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!